this is the second LBC package I received. This is order from Bulacan, the orchids. This is the second time. So I ordered last week this one. I ordered this one with spike only, and now they're blooming. Yeah, they bloom already. Yeah, see. So I've ordered this in San Rafael Bulacan, which have spike, and now they're almost about to bloom na. So this one, yeah. All four. This I order additional for my collection, and now I want to open this up. This one. I received this one, guys, the shipment from Bulacan, and he gave us that if you have a business like flower, you need to have what's this, permit for local transfer, or yeah, from local government, so that you can ship the flower easily. So this one, so they get this one and they ship it together with the bags. So they will put this one here. So by the way, here's the, I will open this one and I will use the knife to open. Here's the first one. It's longest only because I order with flowers now. It's been, so when you order like online, sometimes the flowers get bad, but I like the flowers. By the way, this is first one. I paid these 600 each. Yeah. Oh no! All the flower is, yeah, perishable. It's been a long time in the box, so like this. Because if you buy this here in town, most especially if like this, you will pay this for 850. This is the third one, which yeah, blooming size already. So that's sometimes bad because when they ship like this, so while this one in the courier carrying this one, sometimes, you know, you will just throw away the bags like that, because especially they did not put fragile on it. So this one is looking good here. Yeah, it's nice color. Hope it's all like this. And the last one is this one. It's blooming size again. This one. It's blooming size. And the freebies they always give when you order. Yeah, before send me a previous, it's almost dying, but now this is my second purchase. They give dendrobium, a little bit healthier than before. Yeah, I will. And the fertilizer is good for 3 weeks. You need to spray fertilizer for this one once a week. This is 2020. Oh, it's wet. So this one, and I will show you the previous I got when I first order. To give me this crap one. This one, it's dying. This one is die already. I just try to save this one. I flip it over like this so that I can save this dying stem here. So for 1 week that I flip this one, it's new here. So advice, if you have dying orchid, just flip like this. Just in Tagalog, just hang patiwarek like this. So this one is dying, so I just flip like this. The roots on top, then the leaves is down. So this one is now have one new growth. So the second purchase previous is healthier, and yeah, it's a little bit healthier. So I will hang this one and I will show later. So here all the flowers I got. Sad that some of this part has been dry. They did not wrap this nicely. That same on my first order. Yeah. So they're pretty good. Hope they will be good. So they're fat though. And this one is just too little. Yeah, but nothing I can do. But this one become dry. But I need to spray water this one. So all my purchase from San Rafael Bulacan is here, hung in here until here. So I have 9 new babies here. So that's it, guys. It's darker now, so you hear the rooster. Hope you like it. Don't forget to hit likes and subscribe.